all these refugees are entering Manipur illegally, and therefore they have said that strict action should be taken by the Assam Rifles, and they have said they should be pushed back. Where do you stand on this?
Well, the Home Ministry has told us when the Myanmar refugees are entering Indian border here in Mizoram, they should be pushed back. And I told them that in 1970-71, millions and millions of East Pakistan refugees also entered the West Bengal. What did the government of India do? And for example, my two uncles lived and died. My maternal two uncles lived and died in Burma. Two of their sisters, my mother and her sister, they lived and died in India. And we are we have that blood relationship. So once they give a lot of shelter, a lot of help to the refugees, whether anyone coming from the then East Pakistan or Afghanistan or some other place, it is common sense that a human being should help them. We have no alternative. Therefore, as the government of India has done in 1971, helping millions and millions of East Pakistan refugees in such a way, and if we give shelter and food to our brothers and sisters, what have we to say?